Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Destiny 2. If you want to update your display name in Destiny 2, it is important to note that it is tied to your Bungie.net account, so changing it requires updating your Bungie display name. So here's how you do it. Launch open Destiny 2 on your device and make sure that you are logged in. From the home page or the portal page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside the More menu, click on the Account Settings button. Under Account Setting, tap on About Me. Now you will see your display name at the top of the screen. Go ahead and erase that and write down a new one. After you do that, if the name change is available, go to the top right corner and tap on the tick mark. Now, remember that you can do this only once. Now click on the Confirm button to confirm the change, and you have successfully changed your display name in Destiny 2 account. So now your new name will reflect in your profile. That is how you super easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.